Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These tools will help you navigate through the disassembly of your Dyson V11 vacuum. First, ensure your vacuum is powered off and disconnected from any charging source. Hold the vacuum upright and locate the screws near the trigger area. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. There are typically 2 screws securing the trigger mechanism in place. Once the screws are out, carefully detach the trigger from the housing. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it away if it's stuck. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, inspect the area for any debris or dust accumulation. This is important for maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum. A clean internal space will ensure better functionality. If you notice excessive dirt, use a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to clean the interior. Next, take your new compatible trigger and align it with the mounting points. Ensure it sits snugly against the housing. This is a crucial part of the installation, as proper alignment will prevent issues down the line. Before securing the trigger, remember that we offer a quote before repair if you decide to seek professional help. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring that no calls or travel are necessary for you. Now, replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage to the plastic housing. Once the screws are secure, give the trigger a test by pressing it several times to ensure it operates smoothly. Finally, reassemble any remaining components of the vacuum. Make sure everything is in its proper place and that no parts are left behind. After reassembly, plug your vacuum back in and test it to confirm that the trigger replacement was successful. If everything functions correctly, you've completed the task. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, remember that our professional diagnosis is available without obligation. We're here to assist you with any concerns you may have. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.